This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on your Samsung tablet. So let's go up to the top right here and just scroll on down. And we should see settings right here. So that little settings icon. Now we want to scroll on down and we want to go to general management. Just look at the different icons. Now under general management, there should be an option on the top here for language. So we can go back here. Here's language, and I have English selected. You can add a second language. So we can go to one of these and then select it. So let's go to this one, for example. Go back. It should be added on there for some reason. I think we might have to check mark in the top. Okay, so let's go to that one. Then you can set it as default. And should switch over here. But hopefully this quick video did indeed help you out.